Welcome to Kidsu, Learning and Educational Channel.
Today we will learn about the CVC words. Let's start. CAT, cat, where C is consonant. A is vowel. T is again consonant. Let's see more CVC words. PIG, pig. DRG, dog. HEN, hen. CUB, cub. BEG, big. RED, red. PIN, pin. BUS, bus. SUN, sun. HAT, hat. CUP, cup. PEN, pen. BAT, bat. BED, bed. FOX, fox. JAM, jam. NET, net. VAN, van. MUG, mug. Thanks for watching, kids. Now you know the 20 CVC words. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.